Hi everyone, welcome to my sweet kitchen. Today we're going to cook a super delicious, super healthy roasted chicken breasts with carrots. And to go with it, we're going to cook a super fast, super delicious carrot couscous. So stay tuned and stay with us. Come on, let's cook together. After you slice the chicken breast, what you do is that you put it in a pan with some salt and pepper and some lemon zest. Then add some carrots to the mix. You can also use onions or some garlics to give more flavor. Here's the sizzling. It's cooking good. Let it roast in the pan. This will be delicious. Then we'll sprinkle some oregano. As if it was grilled. It's like the grilled chicken breast. I didn't use any fat at all. And we put some remaining oils of the low fat chicken breast. Oh, yummy does this taste, huh? Yummy, yummy, yummy. So check this baby out. So here you have it, the roasted chicken with the beautiful couscous. I'm going to put up the recipe of the couscous for you. But let me tell you, this one is pretty special. I used a little bit of mint and also used the juices from the meat and added to the water. So check this out. How gorgeous is this? So there you have it, guys. A super delicious roasted chicken with carrots and couscous. A super quick, super nutritious and delicious meal that will take less than 20 minutes to be ready, and your body will love it. So if you want to subscribe to My Sweet Kitchen, you just have to type mjssweetkitchen.blogspot.com so you will not miss any of the recipes that I put there for you. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time on My Sweet Kitchen. Bye guys. Mwah.